Well, according to our program, and we were right on schedule, we have one more song to do. But before that, I'd like to introduce our choir director, Mr. Ron Tui. Our choir secretary, Vicky Diaigo. And our treasurer, Tusi Lawano. Okay, those are that's our choir director, as well as our pastor and beautiful wife that you have met earlier. And at this time, Judy?
Right here.
Okay.
You got one more selection?
Yes.
Okay, well, after the selection has been completed, we'll need a few minutes to get everything in preparation over in Pilgrim Hall. So what's reasonable, about 15 minutes before
Yes.
the reception? Can we do that?
Yes.
Okay, 15 minutes after the last selection, we'll see y'all in Pilgrim Hall for real Samoan snacks.
Okay.
Pilgrim Hall is right across the courtyard, by the way. This exit will be open. I will see to it right now. Just walk across the courtyard. The tables will be set up, but give us a couple of minutes to get it set up if you would.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, before we sing our last song, Judy, I'd ask you to come up here, please.
Excuse me. Here I am.
All right.
Okay.
Also call upon our pastor. Okay, well, this is something that we wanted to do because we know that you have worked so hard. We remember it was Mother's Day when you and
Linda
Cynthia
is back in the back of the room there taking tickets and such.
Came to our congregation, answering the call that our church had offered through the churches of the UCC, and you walked in on Mother's Day and joined us, had a Mother's Day service with us. And that was the beginning, that was the seed that was sowed for this day today. So on behalf of Pastor Tupuola and the First Samoan Congregational Christian Church, we would like to just, as a token of our appreciation, we have just a gift for you.
Wow. Wow, the candy lei they gave us on Mother's Day pales in comparison already.
That's a fan. Okay.
Okay, that would be a fan, yes. Okay.
And
a fan.
And a flower for your ear.
How do I do that? Everybody else looks so cool in theirs.
Okay. Ladies.
There it is.
Linda?
Okay. Want to get Linda up here too?
Also Linda.
Hey, Linda, come on down.
She was
Linda,
the other one.
where are you? Oh, there she is.
Just
we'll
a token of our appreciation.
A few minutes into the reception, because that'll give people a little chance to get over there and get prepared.
That's a fan for you.
You have two choices there, yeah.
If it's on the right, that means you're single.
Oh, is that what that is?
No, just kidding.
Okay, you heard it here first.
Debbie? Okay.
Okay.
And also Debbie?
Debbie, our sound engineer extraordinaire.
Yes. She has also worked hard with us.
Yes. Yay, Debbie.
Just some handicrafts from the islands for you. That's a fan.
Yeah. Left or right here, you get.
She made sure he put it on the left. Cynthia? Okay. And Cynthia.
Cynthia, come on down.
All right. That's also
Left ear, please.
Left ear.
That would be Mr. Cynthia over there.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay,
thank you.
let's wrap it up.
徐胜我，徐胜我。And not along from those four, and I know there's also numerous members of your congregation that played a part in putting this together. And from the bottom of our hearts, on behalf of Pastor Tupuola and wife and the First Samoan Congregational Christian Church of Arizona, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we'd like to end our program tonight with a victory song, because God is good and God is alive. And we would like to end our day here with our victory song in our native tongue. So thank you all very much for joining us tonight, and we hope to be able to socialize at the end of the program. May God bless you all for the wonderful good deed that you have done for our congregation. Thank you.
Ron, one quick change of plan. Can we do the drawing in here? It'll give us a few minutes to get set up in Pilgrim Hall for the reception. So how would that be? Everybody good with that? Okay.